Welcome. If it's your first time stopping by, welcome today to the WeBudget fam. Welcome back. Happy WeBudget Wednesday. I'm happy today to uh, process my first month of YouTube pay and also my first month of Etsy pay. So, our Etsy revenue. For YouTube, the YouTube revenue is coming from the month of June, and for Etsy, it is for July. So, if you recall, I opened my Etsy shop maybe like the last week or maybe week and a half before the last week and a half of August. So I do have some revenue from that. Today I will be stuffing from the two $1,100. This is income or revenue that is left over after expenses. So after all the expenses for things like um, my Vimeo subscription and Canva and all of the supplies that I had to purchase um, to stock my Etsy shop. So after those expenses, I have $1,100 left. What I am going to separate, and I just made a quick chart here. And for this chart, we can ditch this. For this the way I want to divide this up, and I also made a quick um, running behind, but I wanted to get the video set for today. It is WeBudget Wednesday, so I wanted to make sure the video is ready. But so I made a quick envelope to accommodate these. I'll do more. I'll add the label for it, and also just made some quick some quick tagged envelopes. But I am dividing up this cash into percentages for taxes, 24% for taxes. He is going back into the business. He budgets, he creates. So 19% there. For giving, I am going to allocate 10%. Towards my home, I'm going to allocate 23%. WHPH, work hard, play hard, I'm going to add 20% for that. And then for my savings, I'm going to move 4% of that into savings. Some people may ask why so little for savings, but also home is savings, and then work hard, play hard. Probably some of that will end up into savings as well. But for this specific saving area, I'm going to move that into my savings challenges this week. So $1,100 is what we have. One, two, 300. How's everybody doing today? Sorry for jumping in and not checking in on y'all. It's just been one of those weeks. I swear, I feel like Friday. But we still got some time left to go. 300, 51, 52, 53, 54, 5500, 500, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 260, 10, 10 plus 5, 10, 15, 20, plus 20, and this should be $10 in ones to take it to 1100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, 1100. So cash is all set. So this won't be a long video today. I'm going to allocate this cash to the areas that it belongs to. I'm going to add savings to the How to August Nights, and we'll go from there. So pulling out the new binder, and like I said, I'll come back and I will um, make it look a little nicer. I just grabbed a black binder and some recycled envelopes and wrote on them real quick. Taxes, and for taxes, again, I'm doing 24%, so I'm pulling 200, 200, 20, 40, 64. So putting this money aside, since taxes are not coming out of the Etsy or the YouTube money, just gonna go ahead and put this money to the side. 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I will end up putting this into a high yield savings account. Just getting the house stuff figured out. I'm gonna chat with an accountant just to get it all set so that I can be on track. Don't want any surprises at the end of the year. So that money will be going there. Update on the house. So the one that I am looking at, the one that I've talked about, the one that I wanted, uh, what is it, probably about 2 or 3 weeks now. Um, they are all set. The deed is signed and ready for transfer. But uh, now I've seen some other houses that I am kind of interested in. I've got a couple that I'm going to go look at this week. So now, not I still am interested in the one that I put the offer in on, but now they're looking for us to rewrite the offer, change dates and those pieces. But in that time, I've seen some other houses, or some other houses have come onto the market that light has changed, that I'm interested in. So we'll see. I guess up here. Um, let's see. For he again is going to be the business fund. I'm adding 19%, which is $209. One, 200, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty sure I'm short on five, or excuse me, short on ones, but I just didn't, was all I had around. When I got the cash out, I didn't get any change, and then the only change that I had was those 10 ones. 51, 52, 51, 52. Oh, that's why I'm on the wrong number. 209, 51, 52, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 209 goes back into the business. Giving, I'm doing 10%, and that's going to be $110, 1021, and it'll be used for just, again, standard giving, and for giveaways, 20, 40, 60, better make it right, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, I'm sorry, these numbers, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and 10. 20, 40, 60, 80. I'm not sure what's happening right now. They're disappearing. It's 20, 20, 40, 60, 80, 110. And no, it's only no coffee tonight, just water. It's just been one of those days. It's been one of those weeks. Let's see. Home is getting 23% of the income, and that's going to be $253. 152, 250. And I said I was going to take a 5 just because I'm out of change, and I'm going to shift some of the others down. Really didn't get enough change. Not sure why it's so off. 150, 255. 255 instead of the 253 into home. I may have to just go back and check these numbers all over because I feel like because I didn't set those denominations that it's off. Work hard, play hard is getting 20% of the income, and it is going to be 240. 51, 20, 40, 60, 82. That's what it's going to be all 51, 50, 70, 90, 110, 130. 50, 100, 50, 70, 90, 110, 115, 120. I had to recover there. And save is getting what's left. And because I didn't have those extra, I needed $2 extra. Save is getting $42 today. And I'm going to skip this one altogether, not put it in there. I am going to grab my hot August nights. How's everybody doing with their no sinking fun August? Try to get in there. Let's see. We've got $42 and What's next? There's a 20 there. It's a 10. There's a 20 down there. I'm gonna take two 20s. And 20. This will help us to get to 700 this month. That's the goal for savings this month. My goal this month for saving is $700. I'll be looking forward to reallocating this cash. I miss pick and pull. It's been a few days. But I will be reallocating this cash later. Of course, using pick and pull. To everyone, and for my manners again, um, the cash today I'm able to stuff both from YouTube, HeBudgets, and also from Etsy, HeBudgets He Creates, which both of those I have to attribute to you all. So if you're watching this, you are most likely part of the WeBudget fam. If not, do if you're so inclined, do subscribe. But for the most part, you are likely part of the WeBudget fam, and you made this possible. I appreciate your support of my goal, of my vision to own my own home, and just your support in the process. I thank you for that. I'm going to close this off. I just put those two in there. This I'm going to put, now that I have this spot to save, I'll just put this in here to save later. For, let's see, work hard, play hard. I'll use this. I'll put it in my Doing Me binder. And then for home, which it was 209, I'll also use, and I could do pick and pull, but I wanted to keep this video kind of short just because it's just where I'm at today. But I'll have this later to put into pick and pull to use for my vision binder. That's what I'll do with the home money. This will go the same way. So this income, this percentage will go into funding the home, of course. All right, so we are just 12 minutes in. It's a short video. I hope all are well. I wish you a continued, if it has been a continued pleasant week, and if it has not been, I just pray that it improves. I pray that you find some peace in the day and that you're well. Thank you for your support again. I appreciate the opportunity to stuff my first YouTube pay and my Etsy income. Thank you all again just for making it possible. Wish you all a great night, great rest of the day. Peace. Take care.